Hello everyone, many weight loss recipes developed by professional nutritionists contain turmeric as the main ingredient. The fact is that this spice perfectly breaks down fats and speeds up metabolic processes. In addition, the spice perfectly cleanses the body and stimulates digestion. Today we will talk about how to take turmeric for weight loss. Like the video and write comments to help develop the channel. Enjoy watching. Add turmeric to salads and main dishes in the usual dose of spices. Some experts even recommend dissolving the powder in small quantities and then drinking water. But to achieve more tangible results in weight loss, it is recommended to use special recipes. There are various types of turmeric tea, but we will focus on the most effective and at the same time simple recipe. We will need half a liter of boiled water, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 pieces of ginger root, 3 tablespoons of large leaf tea and a pinch of cinnamon. All the listed ingredients, except water, must be mixed and poured. You can add a small amount of honey to the boiling water before drinking. Kefir with turmeric is very effective for weight loss. The recipe for preparation is as follows. Take 1 teaspoon of water and turmeric powder and mix well until a paste forms. Then, add the resulting mixture to a glass of kefir and mix well. By the way, this recipe is also useful for diabetes. The recipe is extremely simple. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and dissolve it in a glass of warm water. Turmeric water prevents the storage of fats in reserve, and the presence of polysaccharides in turmeric immediately activates the immune system, stimulates the production of enzymes, which creates the most favorable conditions for digestion. It is recommended to drink all the listed remedies once a day. It is best to consume them on an empty stomach in the morning. It is better to drink a kefir drink before bedtime. It will also help you fall asleep quickly and restore normal intestinal microflora. Kefir recipes are also ideal for fasting days. I hope this video was useful to you. Write in the comments which of the recipes you like the most. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.